So I've owned the Sony a7 IV full frame camera, and I also own the Panasonic S5 IIX full frame cameras, both incredible cameras. However, those aren't the cameras that I use the most. And the one that I do use the most is, well, let's just say a little surprising. So this is my most used camera. It is the Panasonic G85 Micro Four Thirds camera. And you might be wondering, why on earth would you use a Micro Four Thirds camera whenever you have some really amazing full frame cameras like the Sony a7 IV and Panasonic S5 IIX? Well, it comes down to one really simple reason, and that is the overall size and more specifically the weight of the cameras. And even though the body sizes of Micro Four Thirds are getting larger, specifically with the GH7, the lenses are still smaller and lighter, and that makes a big difference when you're shooting these type of videos where you're vlogging, you're moving around. And as strong as you think you are, whenever you start vlogging and you have a full frame camera along with their heavier lenses, it gets really heavy really quick and my arm gets tired, and at times I might accidentally drop my camera, and that's something that I definitely don't want to do. So that is why my Panasonic G85 Micro Four Thirds is still the camera that I use the most, and I am waiting for a more compact version of this. Even though the Lumix S9 has been released, it is really expensive, and at the same time it is missing features that I would like. So I'm hoping Panasonic releases a more compact version of a Micro Four Thirds system with the new Phase Detect hybrid autofocus system. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.